Computex 2026. And in this year, Wincomm would like to deliver you our Best Choice Award winner, the Medical Mobile Workstation on Wheel, which is our latest medical car panel PC series. And in this series, we leverage the Intel Core Ultra 200 series. Only leveraged by 15 watts, it can deliver up to 22.5 TOPS. They can bring AI to the edge perfectly to fit in the clinical run in the wards. And also, we leverage it by up to 3 battery. You can see when we take out one battery, you still have 2 other battery can support. So in the ward running, more than 8 hours per run is quite important. Now we have 3, and we also have the UPS, uninterrupted power support. They can support all the doctors during the ward surveying. It can be of mobility and support the up to more than 12 hours to really maintain a best care for all the patients. The second thing is about how can we really using this model, which is all made by the antibacterial housing. And to clean the machine is quite important for the hospital. Using simply disable the panel, then you can see you can clean all the machines with any kind of cleansers. And also, during the mobile, workstation running, you still need to look at some data. You can use in the reading light here to support that. And the third thing is whenever we using the power inside, we still need to keep it fanless. So in this machine, we're using our innovative the eye control design to optimize the computing power, the battery, and also the thermal to make it perfectly to fit in doctor's use. Running nowadays, the smart healthcare happening in the hospital. So when we can move around the workstation, easily mobility, we need to define how to bring the performance of the service in real time. So by leveraging the Core Ultra performance, it can up to the 22.5 TOPS. And also we leverage this machine by our innovative eye control software. It can optimize the computing power, the thermal, and the battery power to make it efficient. So anytime, anywhere, you can provide the performance to the edge. And the most important thing is we using the isolated I/O protection to protect the expensive medical equipment away from the electricity leakage. Within this medical use series, it can fit in the medical mobile workstation perfectly. So Wincomm, we commit, we deliver.
For more solutions, contact Portwell.